Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Reina Devianti from 2018 Marketing Management Diploma 3 Study Program. First of all, I would like thank to the examiner for my field work practice session, Mr. Sandia Aditya BIB MPBS, to the head of the field work practice session, Mr. M. Edo Suryawan Siregar, SE MBA, and also my thesis advisor Mrs. Dr. Suliha MM. I will present the result of my job training at Sadana Ekapraya Amitra company in the Marketing Communication Division. Let me begin. Background: field work practice is a form of lectures through work activities directly in the world of work. This field work practice is a practical activity for students with the aim of gaining experience from these activities, which can later be used for professional development. This practical activity was carried out at Sadana Eka Praya Mitra Company. PT Sadana Eka Praya Mitra is one of the companies that build business in the commercial field of cooling machines and freezers that perform very well in the public and private sector in maintaining freshness in Indonesia. Established in 1991, PT Sadana Eka Praya Amitra offers juice dispenser, food product, cake display, beverage, and blood banking. The company can assist with suitable cooling machines, equipment to meet the specific food temperature required. In the implementation of this working practice, the author choose PT Sadana Eka Praya Amitra because to be able to identify the management that occurs in it, especially marketing management is in one of the departments owned by PT Sadana Eka Praya Amitra, namely marketing communication. By conducting practical work activities at PT Sadana Eka Praya Amitra, it is expected that the author will gain knowledge related to the topic, namely marketing communication. Field work practice objectives: 1. Knowing the mechanism of creating content in the form of visual like photos, animation, and videos on social media PT Sadana Eka Praya Mitra, like creative and full of innovation. 2. Knowing the mechanism of writing, copywriting, and the use of good marketing sentence on website and social media owned by PT Sadana Eka Praya Mitra, so that prospective consumer or the public are interested in buying. 3. Know the marketing mechanism of verbal communication, such as the existence of customer testimonial videos and big decorative videos uploaded on social media, and also the mechanism of using digital advertising service. Usefulness of field work practice. For students, the benefits we will get in the field work practice include: 1. Can rehone the science used during lectures. 2. Can practice directly the science that have been given by the campus. 3. Get new knowledge that is not owned while on campus. 4. Can increase the soft skill and hard skill that we have. Stage of implementation of field work practice. After getting a call to come on August 4, the practice held in field work practice interview at PT Sadana Eka Praya Mitra. Field work practice active began on August 10, 2020 and ended on October 10, 2020 and were held from Monday to Friday. Sadana Eka Praya Amitra company history. PT Sadana Eka Praya Mitra, or known as Sadana, is a cooling machine manufacturer in Indonesia that has been established since August 21, 1991. Until now, the company has several types of cooling machines ranging from chiller, freezer, ice maker, juice dispenser, and various other kinds. With its wide range of products, Sadana also developed a number of brands for its cooling machines, ranging from Aura, Fresta, Governor, and Atis. The advantage of Sadana cooling machine is that it can meet the specific temperature required of different type of food. Since 1995, PT Sadana Eka Praya Mitra has built a distribution and after-sales service network that has been spread in 24 cities throughout Indonesia, so that their clients are not worried about their asset. General activities of the company 7P, we have products. All product of PT Sadana Eka Praya Mitra is commercial cooling machine that start from chiller, freezer, showcase, ice maker, juice dispenser, and kitchen equipment. Cooling machine brands like Aurora, Fresta, Governor, and Atis. Next, we have price. The price of cooling machine products sold by PT Sadana Eka Praya Mitra range from 2 million until 30 million per unit. Next, we have place. The located of PT Sadana Eka Praya at Ruko Grahamas Perjuangan Street, RT3 RW7, Kebun Jeruk, West Java. Next, we have promotion. Communication marketing division at PT Sadana Eka Praya Mitra prefers mass relation like PR, advertising, and direct marketing. Next, we have people. People in the communication marketing division of PT Sadana Eka Praya is filled like competent people and professional in the field of promotion and communication. With the integration of competent people produce a solid team and can work well together to achieve the target that the client wants. Next, we have process. Usually can be through Sadana website in www.sadanas.co.id, where there is a display of product promotion and also product sold. After that, can fill out a form on the product promo in progress or if through social media. Usually Sadana asks for customer data to be contacted by sellers. After the deal with the agreement between the buyer and the seller that has been made by both parties, then there is a transaction in which the buyer must send or transfer the money that has been agreed by sending proof of the transfer along with identity card such as KTP and NPWP. Then seller will prepare the necessary administration as well as product delivery schedule. 7. And next, we have physical evidence, like the office of PT Sadana Eka Praya Mitra is located at Ruko Grahamas Perjuangan Street, Kebun Jeruk, West Jakarta. And they have 3 shop house that are used as office with 5 floors, including B20, B21, and B23. Field of work. The tasks given to participants in communication marketing staff are as follows. 1. Create visually creative creative content like photos, videos, and animations for PT Sadana Eka Praya Mitra products on social media. It's like create attractive product photo design and create some small games or a studio on product like introduction and tips and tricks for Instagram and Twitter. 2. Copywriting for blog, website, Twitter, and Instagram PT Sadana Eka Praya Mitra. Take news from various media sources and then put together into writing to make tweet material on Twitter, Instagram, and blog website. 3. Raise the ideas of verbal communication marketing like testimonials, digital advertising to prospective consumer of PT Sadana Eka Praya Mitra or the public. And first, we ask the customer for prior permission to ask for approval of the shooting aimed at company documentation. If agreed, then we will cover all activities from delivery until the goods arrive and ask the buyer to be interviewed. Obstacle phase and how to deal with obstacles during the implementation of fieldwork practice at PT Sadana Eka Praya Mitra. Practice encounter several obstacle phase including 1. Practice is required to think creatively because everyday practice having to create different content. 2. Practice is required to use video design and editing applications such as Adobe Illustrator, Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Premiere, and After Effects. The several ways that practices are carried out are 1. Practice during work has been trying to keep digging for information and asking for explanation related to content ideas suitable for posting on corporate social media. 2. Practice trying to listen videos on YouTube about learning using video apps and photo editing. Then Praktikan also did not hesitate to ask directly to other communication marketing staff who are in the field. That's all. Thank you.